Alright guys, what is going on? So tonight's video we're doing a quick unboxing of this case by DBrand. It's called the Ghost case. I got this during Black Friday, finally got to me. But a quick look at the overall packaging. Plain white. Pretty premium packaging, alright? This is for actually the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You got your DBrand logo right here, or the brand name. I believe this is either Braille or something. And the Ghost case wrapping around the edge, very premium. Has the logo right here for the Ghost case. Pop it right open like so, and here it is. And here's the Ghost case itself. This is a clear case with MagSafe, with rubberized grips on the side. In terms of grip, it provides a pretty nice grip right off the bat. And you got your action button cover and your volume buttons and grip all around. It's supposed to be good drop protection as well. I think at least 10 feet. And you got your camera bump right here. And the bottom portions should go ahead and leave me enough room to plug in a port. Yep. And MagSafe right here. Let's see if it works. This one's a little bit not that good, but we'll put on the phone and test it out for sure. And so far it feels very slim. Has a black kind of like a TPU surrounding on the side. Very interesting, very nice case in my opinion. But we're gonna take off the protective wrapping underneath. And here's a Ghost. It's well, here you go. Wow, so that's nice. Let's see. Right here, I don't see any scuffing. Do you guys see anything? No scratches. But based on what I'm reading online, it's pretty easy to get these scratches right here. But so far it looks nice. I really like the color scheme of it. All right, I'm gonna pause the video, use my mini to record, and pop this iPhone 15 Pro Max that's recording into this case. And see how it goes. All right, boom, it goes in. It fits. Good news is it fits the camera housing with the tempered screen protector around the camera itself. And this is a nice light case right off the bat. The feel of it, I like how it's translucent, transparent, clear case. Good grip for sure. All right, is it better grip than the Kadabi? I'll talk about it later in terms of the Kadabi case. But right now, I like it. There's even grip on the power button. There's grip on the action button and the volume button. It's pretty nice and tactile. The back is very grippy because of the TPU material, I think. Already picking up a few fingerprints, I think. I'm gonna test the MagSafe. I really like how form-fitting this is. And even the top has a grip. But I like it. I like how it faces flat on the table. And there's a slight camera, a slight border bump along the edges, even with the tempered screen protector. So at the same time, it's keeping it lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this for a while, and ultimately I come back with a comparison between all the cases I collected over the past few months. But the iPhone 15 Pro Max has been my daily driver for the fall season and so far starting winter, and it's been a great phone. Great phone so far. But on that note, hope this video was helpful when it comes to the Ghost case. So far, again, I don't see any scuffing as of yet. But you know, it's very early. I've been, you know, this has only been like the first 10 minutes. But other than that, even if it scuffs, I have confidence that DBrand is going to come up with a different solution, new and improved. But again, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.